Hello, I'm Marlene Speas. A special program designed to help keep children safe. Do your children know how to protect themselves if they were ever abducted? Some children are learning how to defend themselves. It's called radKIDS. It's a safety, education, and personal empowerment program for kids ages 5 to 12. Instructors go over different safety areas. They talk to the students about personal safety, environment safety, internet safety, abduction, bullying, and fire safety. And not only do they talk about safety, they help students develop a plan. Instructor Stacy Latham says radKIDS has 3 principles.
We work under 3 principles with radKIDS. Our first principle is that no one ever has the right to hurt you because you are special. Our second principle is that you don't have the right to hurt anybody else, including yourself, unless someone's trying to hurt you, and then you can stop them. And our third principle is that if anyone ever tries to hurt you, trick you, make you feel uncomfortable, you can tell because it's not your fault.
Students are also trained with physical skills, which they're taught to use if someone ever tries to hurt them, trick them, or make them feel uncomfortable. 8-year-old Maya McIver says she's been having a lot of fun learning about how to protect herself in all situations. She says the best part is practicing on the instructors. Maya tells us what she would do if someone tried to take her.
You yell loud, hit hard, and run fast.
Latham says they will be working with students in the Kirksville Public Schools during the after-school program during the school year. It will also be at the YMCA. To learn more about radKIDS, go to heartlandconnection.com.